We got 20 minutes for a little therapy drive in Miata. In 20 minutes, we are starting a college football game. It's hilarious how slowly this thing gets up to speed, but honestly, just the high RPM, the wailing of the engine, it makes it so much fun, even if it's super slow. It makes it feel more intense, I guess. It's the even though it's not that, like, it's not an insane sound, I guess, but the intensity feels higher, I guess. It's quite entertaining. Huracan, Lamborghini Huracan. Do I want to drive that car? Yes. Is he having more fun on me on these roads? I mean, probably. But that car is 100 times more expensive than this one is, so. But I guess life is all about variety as well. Okay, we're already a little late, but that was fun. That was a good little lakeside run. That was pretty fun. You can hear the rattle and the exhaust. There's definitely some things I need to tighten down a little more. That's amazing. Just that like 1 mile stretch was enough to put a smile on my face and take a little bit of stress away. This car will do it, man. Let's do a roundabout. Let's do one more. One more run. We'll be a little late for that football game, and that's all right. You can hear, I mean, so there's probably some issues with the transmission. It's old. But you can also just hear a lot more because the shift boot is torn. It's so much quieter when I put my hand over it. I need to get a new shift boot. I also need to latch some of those things down on the exhaust. And it'll probably sound just a little bit more refined. Now it sounds very much like a tin can wanting to pull itself apart. And it feels like that at times. Hello, little hatchback. Push it at 10/10s, but honestly, it's pretty fun at 6/10s. Downshifts are so much fun, man. I'll take this just a little bit slower. Yeah, I'm sure that Huracan is a freak ton of fun on these roads as well. Probably more for the, let me see if I can roll this up here a little bit better. Probably more for the exhaust than anything. Can I reach that one? No, I can't. Well, dancing, man. Getting better at those heel toe downshifts. Not all of them are smooth, I'll tell you that, but do one little, somebody did a little donut. Oh, this poor little car. Was not very nice to it. Oh, okay. We'll do just kind of a little bit of cruising for the rest of this. body roll is fun, but I definitely wouldn't mind if it was just a little bit more planted. If the weight transfer happened just like a little bit quicker. Also, I don't know if it was me, but like in that little skid, it almost seemed like there was like I don't know if it was a tire pressure light or if it was like, this doesn't have traction control, right? Okay. I'm gonna be nice to it now. I've beat it. I've beat it up enough today. It was a good 20 minutes of flogging. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. This was fun. Peace.